Have you ever wondered how AI code editors like GitHub Copilot work? How does it kind of seems to read your mind while you code? You basically type a few lines and boom, a whole function appears. Here is what is happening under the hoods. It always starts with users, basically from your favorite IDE file or project. Whatever the code you are writing is basically chunks into small pieces and kind of streams to something which is called a knowledge graph. This knowledge graph is nothing but a database which kind of stores chunks of your code in a language which LLMs can understand. So basically, your entire repo is mapped into symbols, files, and documents, and basically fed into this vector database or knowledge graph. Once all my code is chunked and indexed into my vector database, users can basically ask a question, which would be immediately worked upon by an agent sitting on your local machine. This is a lightweight agent that tracks kind of all the edits, exceptions, and rejections which you do, maintains the conversation, and kind of steers you into the right direction based on the suggestions coming from the LLM itself. Now, this goes through something which is called context engineering. Context engineering is basically gathering all the relevant context, basically the best bits that fit into a prompt, which are recent lines, related files, comments, documents, or whatever. Now, this curated context plus some system rules, which are basically styles, safety, and frameworks, goes to a large language model trained on ton of your code, which is basically coming from the knowledge graph or the index DB which was created. Guided by those instructions, it predicts what you likely want token by token and basically give you an output. Now, output is streamed to the front end itself, which is nothing but our AI code editor. You get a suggestion, you accept, tweak, or reject, and your feedback loop continues. This is not any magic. This is great context, smart prompting, and a model that knows your patterns. If you want a full breakdown and live demos, join me on 7th October, 11 a.m. IST. Set the reminder, bring your questions. See you till then.